Imagine if you could scale infinitely across the hybrid cloud, multi-cloud universe. Now imagine if it were effortless, secure, and fast. Whether you're a new adopter looking to do public cloud right, or need better visibility into existing accounts and rogue cloud users, GreenPages Cloud Xcelerator platform gives you the hybrid cloud, multi-cloud architecture to scale workloads as your business grows. Most organizations don't have the luxury of unlimited budgets or infinite deadlines, but with our Cloud Xcelerator platform, you get both a blueprint and a launching pad that rockets you to your optimal cloud end state. Need best practices for procuring and securing cloud services? Strengthen public cloud governance with easy change cycles, lower operational costs, and enhanced security. Public cloud account sprawl is a serious black hole. Who's doing what under which budget? With centralized identity and access management, you get visibility, policies, and cost alignment. Hybrid cloud, multi-cloud network connectivity is complex, especially at scale. With GreenPages Cloud Xcelerator platform, high-performance wide area networking frameworks are established early, so as your cloud footprint expands, network performance is easily managed. Whether you use GreenPages Cloud Xcelerator platform to fuel your business, or you engage GreenPages to be mission control for your cloud operations, contact us for an intro call and scale across the multi-cloud universe.